to another video. I'm Devanshi Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a recently watched web series, Kota Factory Season 2.
कोटा आया ना तू? क्यों?
पढ़ने के लिए सर।
पर तो घर पे भी सकता था। कोटा ऐसा क्या करेगा?
Well, TVF has forever been one of my favorite spaces of going to when I'm looking for a well-written web series or a well-written sketch. Be it TVF Pictures, Humorously Yours, or any other web series like Aspirants or Tripling, I think TVF has nailed the writing every single time. This time, Kota Factory Season 2 comes out on Netflix and undoubtedly has the same kind of brilliant writing in this as well. Kota Factory Season 2 comes out to be one of the most realistic and relatable stories that I have seen in recent times. In this video, I'll try to share my viewing experience about Kota Factory with all of you, keeping in mind the plot, characters and the overall viewing time, so that you can decide if it's worth your time or not.
क्या वजह है कि तेरे जैसा नाजुक लाचार लड़का बीच सेमेस्टर में अपना घर स्कूल सब छोड़ के कोटा आ गया?
जब तू मैकेनिक्स पढ़ा ही नहीं था तो हाँ क्यों किया पेपर के लिए?
स्मॉल टॉक करने की जरूरत नहीं है अंटिल फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री के डाउट पूछना।
आज घर वालों को फोन करके कह देना कि तुमसे आईआईटी नहीं होगा।
तेरा मन तो लग रहा है ना?
खाना नहीं खाएगा तो वीकनेस हो जाएगी, वीकनेस होगा फिर बीमार पड़ेगा। और जो बच्चे पहले हफ्ते में बीमार पड़ते हैं ना, उनके माता पिता उन्हें वापस ले जाते हैं, फिर वो कभी आईआईटी नहीं कर पाते।
प्रोलॉजी क्लासेस में ऐसा क्या गलत हो रहा है?
महेश्वरी में ऐसा बहुत कुछ है जो यहाँ नहीं है।
Speaking of the plot, Kota Factory 1 stopped where Vaibhav was moving out of his comfort zone, leaving behind his friends Meena and Uday and his love interest Vartika. In Season 2, the story begins exactly from here. The whole series yet again stays with the essence of black and white, which was something that was both relatable and soothing to people of Kota. Also, the idea behind using the black and white sceneries throughout the web series comes out as the colorless lives of students in Kota, a brilliant analogy and a brilliant and risk-worthy thought. The plot revolves around two parallels this time: Jeetu Bhaiya's struggle of starting his own venture and the students' struggle of getting through IIT JEE this time as well. Right now, the story is in class 12th of the students, and Jeetu Bhaiya's story revolves around his own startup, the struggles of staying in the competitive coaching space, and the struggle of balancing him as a mentor and him as someone who's struggling through has come out really well. There were spaces in the plot where I felt that I wanted to see more of the struggle as an entrepreneur, but it's fair enough that the story revolves around the students and it stays through them. One thing about the plot that I absolutely enjoyed was the small little dialogues or monologues in between. Written brilliantly well and put in between the plot, the monologues come in such a way that you are just mesmerized hearing what the character has to say. This time, like the previous monologue that Uday had, there is a new character of Sushrut who comes from a tier 3 city and is struggling to get his own space in Kota. The whole idea of how a topper in his own town ends up struggling with solving basic questions of IIT is something that's relatable. One thing that I came across which I found really interesting were the dialogues. I'm sure you've heard them. Most interesting dialogue that I came across was Sushrut asking that सवाल देर से पूछा तो सवाल गलत हो गया क्या? And when Jeetu Bhaiya speaks to the students and makes them motivated about how important is it to go and face the tests, these are some brilliant dialogues. I'm not gonna give you spoilers, but these dialogues are worth noting down and putting it as stick-ons. Speaking of the characters, Jeetu Bhaiya steals the show like always, but Vaibhav's character, Mayur More, plays a brilliant role being confused. A lot of times we feel that, what is there in playing the boy next door? But that's the toughest role to play, that's the toughest role to write as well. As a writer, I could see through the layers of the characters of Meena and Vartika as well. The whole idea of pitching in students from all domains is a brilliant thing to do in a web series like this, and I really feel it is a must watch for everyone who believes in watching good shows with good writing. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and at the same time drop in your comments on how you felt about Kota Factory Season 2 in the comments below. All the best and love you.